I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower to start the day.
To take a shower to start the day.
I get dressed for the day ahead.
I get dressed for the day ahead.
I make my bed every morning.
I make my bed every morning.
I prepare breakfast in the kitchen.
I prepare breakfast in the kitchen.
I enjoy a cup of tea.
I enjoy a cup of tea.
I eat breakfast before starting work.
I eat breakfast before starting work.
I pack my bag for the day.
I pack my bag for the day.
I leave the house at 8 a.m.
I leave the house at 8 a.m.
I read a book on the way to work.
I read a book on the way to work.
I drink water to stay hydrated.
I drink water to stay hydrated.
I have a snack during my break.
I have a snack during my break.
I work on my tasks.
I work on my tasks.
I have conversation with my friend.
I have conversation with my friend.
I take lunch with my siblings.
I take lunch with my siblings.
I have a short nap after lunch.
I have a short nap after lunch.
I take a warm bath.
I take a warm bath.
One spend time with family.
I spend time with family.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I go grocery shopping.
I go grocery shopping.
I organize my closet.
I organize my closet.
I exercise to keep myself fit.
I exercise to keep myself fit.
I start preparing dinner.
I start preparing dinner.
I set the table before eating.
I set the table before eating.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I do the dishes after dinner.
I do the dishes after dinner.
I clean the kitchen countertops.
I clean the kitchen countertops.
I relax on couch for a while.
I relax on couch for a while.
I read a few motivational quotes.
I read a few motivational quotes.
I water plants in the garden.
I water plants in the garden.
I say a quick prayer before bed.
I say a quick prayer before bed.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I wash my face before sleeping.
I wash my face before sleeping.
I meditate before going to bed.
I meditate before going to bed.
I turn off the lights in the room.
I turn off the lights in the room.
I put my phone on silent mode.
I put my phone on silent mode.
I fluff my pillows for comfort.
fluff my pillows for comfort.
I try to get 8 hours of sleep.
I try to get 8 hours of sleep.